Hey guys, welcome to our channel. And if you want to add your medical expenses on the Wealthsimple Tax section, so this video is for you. So right now I'm on the Wealthsimple website where you have to register for a new one if you have not hasn't create account yet. So you have to log into your account after creating a new account, or if you have one, then you can log into your current existing account. Now you have to claim your medical expenses. You can claim your medical expenses for any 12-month period as long as they weren't claimed on a previous return. So here's how to claim medical expenses in Wealthsimple Tax. So you have to add the medical expenses section on your tax profile. So if you want to add the medical expenses section on your tax profile, so you have to do is open your tax return in Wealthsimple Tax, then click Add Tax Forms in the left hand navigation menu, then locate the search box within this section, that is visual example below that is like this. You can find a search bar like this, and you have to simply click on the search bar to find income tax forms or deductions and credits. Then after that, locate the search box within this section and then type what you are looking for in the search box. You can enter your name of tax slip, so you can add that for example medical expenses or the keywords related to that item. You simply can search with medical expenses and it will show you the tax form or the tax section that you can add. So as you type, the list of possible matches will update automatically. Then when you see the item you want, either click on it with your mouse or use the up or down arrow keys to highlight it and press enter. So the selected item will now be added to your tax return and you can enter the relevant information. So if you simply click on you have searched for medical expenses, then it will show up like here, and you have to select the first one. Simply click on that, or you can use the up or down arrow to highlight that section and press enter button on your keyboard, and it will add it to your tax form, and then you can claim your medical expenses. So enter the expenses for each individual. So you have to click add another person at the bottom of the medical expenses section to a subscription for each person, for yourself, partner, children under 18 or dependents, like indicate their relationship to you. Then fill out medical expenses information like enter total amounts by category. Then you are not required to enter individual receipts, so keep details records to receive for potential CR verification. So after added that, you have to categorize your medical expenses and you are good to go. So that's how you can just add a medical expenses section on the Wealthsimple Tax. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.